AI, you kidding? Apple is working on a brand new iPhone text app. You might find it creepy. Oh, what is this? The tech giant has quietly filed a patent application for a new feature which would see iPhones read messages aloud in the owner's voice. In the owner's voice?
Yeah.
Whose voice? My voice?
Yeah. If you train it. I guess it's able to maybe read your own or their own messages.
But I don't want somebody else's message in my own voice.
Oh.
Wouldn't that be weird? You get a message from your wife, it's you? It's terrifying.
Let's see how this goes.
Apple would be the first tech company to do this as long as the patent is approved. Well, Apple fans can already ask Siri to read messages aloud to them using the Read My Latest Message command. This is a whole new ballpark. In response to receiving a message from a contact named John, a user may desire to listen to the message in John's voice. Okay, this I can...
Okay.
This makes more sense. It's weird it said your own voice. It enhances user experience while increasing efficiency of the device by eliminating the need for the user to read the received message. iPhone owners would have to agree to share a voice file with all the data needed for the device to mimic their voice, according to patently Apple. So it's like a deep fake type. You train it. You choose to train it. Well, people are going to do it. People already did the emojis. They're like, look, it's me.
Yeah.
I wear glasses or a hat. That must be me. That must be me.
Why do they sound so derpy?
That must be me.
Oh, boy.
You said it was Friday, man. You did. I didn't. I didn't choose this. I didn't choose this life.
Not derpy Friday.
I didn't choose this life.
Chill Friday.
Yeah, no, I did. I think I might have chosen this life, actually.
Would you do this? Do you listen to audio, like converted to audio messages?
I'm big about assistant when I'm in the car. You don't want to be reading. So I definitely listen to it. And it's in the voice of the assistant, I guess. I don't know. It might be creepy. Like it's a simulated, like synthesized version of the voice of the user. And then sometimes it is and sometimes it isn't because everybody doesn't opt in. It's a creepy feature. I think some people will think it's creepy for sure, and but some are going to dive right in, especially the mega fans. If it actually existed, and it is just a patent application at the moment.
What if it's 100%? It has their cadence and everything.
Then sure, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess, right?
Okay.
Why not? It's like it's the equivalent of leaving like a voice message. Like people already do that to a certain extent. Inside of text, you can put an audio clip. It's way faster than texting.
That's true.
And it is your actual voice. So this does seem a bit odd, but I know that like people are very comfortable with texting and text to speech, so they'll probably use it more frequently than they do voice message, even though the feature's there.
Yeah.
So
this would be kind of
let me tell you what would be actually creepy is if you took that voice and then applied it as your assistant voice for everything. And all of a sudden I have like Will's voice as my like anything that I say.
Yeah.
Like that would be creepy. Navigation, turn right, turn left. And it's like,
yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Just the constant lisp.
It would be like, hey man, don't use me like that.
Yeah.
I didn't agree to that. And I'm not saying that Apple would let that happen, but you know how people are, Will.
The assistant.
People are going to crack and hack.
Like a fart joke or something.
People are going to crack and hack. You got the crackers and hackers going in there. They crack it up. They hack it up. And then they got their best pals or maybe even celebrities. Maybe you got Elon reading all your directions.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
Although, I don't know. You could probably... I remember there was a time. Remember those navigation systems before Google Maps TomTom?
Yeah.
They probably still exist, to be honest. But they had a thing where you could pay like $6. It was kind of like, what do you call it in a game when you buy the skins and stuff? What is the word for that? Like a freemium? Well, it wasn't freemium because you needed the hardware. But you get these add-ons.
Yeah.
DLC. That's the word I was looking for.
Okay, yeah.
You could get DLC and it could be like Homer Simpson's voice or Snoop Dogg or something. I can't remember the options. Is that something you want? Well, what are you looking for in an assistant voice?
Yeah, I want an assistant to be like a natural voice. And we can select different voices. It doesn't have to be like a celebrity or something, but just it has to have a right cadence and be able to deliver a message like a human being. But that's the hard part, apparently.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's cool.
Well, we'll see. We'll see what transpires.
if it's
People
done
got to
right.
get past the privacy component of training an AI to speak exactly like, because it's a risk factor. And Apple will tell you, oh, neural secure enclave. They're going to just say enclave 6,000 times in the presentation.
Yeah.
But that capability and that type of training that you submit to, you start to wonder, like, what if it was used in a nefarious way? And it sounds like you. It's like, did you say that? And you're like, that's not me. That's
Yeah.
I don't know if it's going to be that good, but you know what I'm saying here, Will.
Yeah.
People are skeptical of all this AI, this and that.
Mm-hmm.